Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with the granny square which I liked and I wanted to share with you all. This I have named it as Diamond and Squares Granny Square. See, you have diamonds forming on the corners and you have the squares forming on the sides, and this is a 2-round repeat pattern actually. So if the first round is made with trebles, and you use all treble crochets for this particular granny square. So to demonstrate this granny square to you, I am using Woven Hobby Store 100% premium acrylic anti-pill Aran yarn with medium weight 4, and its color code is 2040. So let's go into the video. And I'm using a 5 mm clover amma hook. So you can chain 6 and start, or you can make a magic ring and start. I will make a magic ring. Just hold the tail end like this, cross over. It's a simple, and make a loop. Okay. Then you can chain 4 and begin, or you can make a double twist here and go into making the first treble. Then one treble, so another treble. So you can make in this manner, or you can make 2 trebles and continue and slip stitch join here and continue the pattern. It is left to you how you begin. Like if you begin with 2 trebles, these 2 trebles, when you come and end, you will make chain 6, make a treble and slip stitch and join here and begin your stitches from here. But I am going to cause you how to work from the corners. So I am making 3 trebles. This is my first set of 3 trebles. Chain 6, then again place 3 trebles and chain 6. Chain 6 again. It's a very nice and open stitch, and you can use it for any project that you like. Chain 6. And 3 more trebles into the magic ring. Now you will not make chain 6, instead you will make chain 3 and place a double crochet in the very first stitch here. So that you bring the stitch to the center of the corner. Now you can chain 4 and begin, or chain 3 and begin, that's up to you. Chain 3, chain 4, or you can make a treble directly. So I'm going to pull up to the height of a treble, twist 2 times, yarn over, pull up a loop, bring it behind, again pull a loop through that loop, bring it behind. You will have 2 loops on the hook. So this is your first treble, and you can place your stitch marker in this very first stitch here. This is the this is the V where you have to place your DC, the corner DC here. 1 minute. So you can see this V here, this will be to the side. Now 2 more trebles. God. And in this round we are going to work treble on treble 2. So we have 3 trebles here, and then we are going to make 1 treble each on each of the trebles of the previous round. And every corner you're going to make 3 trebles, chain 6 and 3 trebles. Three trebles. Only the first corner is little different, and how you end the corner is little different. I have made 3 trebles here, so I have this 3 has become 9 trebles here. Now chain 6. Place 3 more trebles in this corner. You can try this square, granny square with double crochets too. That's left to you. Then continue the similar manner. So every side is going to have chain 6 and 9 double crochets. So 3 double crochets are in the chain 6, 3 double crochet, 1 each on the treble crochets. Treble crochets in each of the previous round treble crochets. Then again 3 treble crochets in the chain space. So every side is going to have 9 treble crochets. I shall meet you at the end of this second round. So we've come to the end of the row here. So chain 3 and a DC. So chain 4. Instead of chaining 4 directly, you can make a slip stitch and chain 4 so that it appears inside the row. One, 2 and 3. Okay. So you can do your treble crochet height in different forms. You can use stacked single crochets also. So now this round is little different. So we are going to skip 3 DCs. Instead we are going to make 3 chains. Skip 3 trebles, and we're going to make 3 chains here, and then 1, 2, 3 you skip and make 1 treble each on the next 3 trebles of the previous round. Again chain 3 to go over to the corner. The corners are always 3 trebles, chain 6, 3 trebles. So here only the side the pattern is changing. Okay, so continue. I shall meet you at the end of this round. We've come to the end of this round here. I have made 3 chains. Now I need to place my double crochet so that I bring my hook to the center of the corner. So let's make the DC here. This is 1, 2, and this chain here under this V we need to make the DC. So picking up this V is very, very important. The top chain V of the topmost chain. This gives a neater finish. So the next row again we are going to make a solid treble row. So we will be working in the corners. It's always 3 treble, chain 6, 3 treble, and then you're going to work 1 treble each on each of the trebles of the previous round, and then 3 trebles under 3 chain space, and continue. In this row you have 1, 2, 3, 9 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 plus 12, you'll have 21 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, 21 trebles. If you want to make this bigger, again, the next round it's going to be 3 trebles here, skip 3 trebles, chain 3, skip 3 trebles, and continue like this. Here you'll have 3 trebles, skip these 3, chain 3, skip these 3, 3 trebles, chain 3, skip these 3, 3 trebles, and continue. So that is how this diamond square, granny square pattern works out. And once you are satisfied with the size, you can make a single crochet row all around, and in the chain 6 space you can place 5 single crochets, and then 1 single crochet each on each of the stitches, and see that you end with the solid treble round. So that gives a neater finish. Thank you friends for watching this video patiently. Hope you liked this, and I would like to see your comments, and I'd like to see your samples too. You can post your samples under the comment section. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every day. Bye for now. Have a great day.